Wagwan farms, welcome back to Vibe with Chelsea. So today I'll be showing you guys how I do passion twist with elastic band. So if you want to see how I get that look, please stay tuned and watch the video to the end if you want to see the end result. And if you're new to my channel and you're liking my content so far, please hit the subscribe button, turn your post notification bell on to be notified every time I post a video. And if you're already a part of the family, thank you guys for the support. Keep the support coming. I really love and appreciate you guys.
Check 1 2. Yeah man, you know from here to check, you know what go on. Mum go voice upgrade. Alright guys, so today I'll be working with a 4C natural here, doing the passion twist style. I'll be using the Ghana twist here. The specific one is passion twist, and I'll be using ocean wax to refine the parts, and of course my crochet needle as well as elastic bands. Now to get started, of course, first you're gonna part the sections out that you want to use and apply the elastic band like I'm doing here to the root. This is to hold the twist in. As you can see, it's the Ghana twist here and it's the passion twist version. Now it comes twisted, so I have to untwist the strands, and with each twist that I'm doing I'll be using 2 strands of hair. However, the client requested shoulder length, so basically you're going to insert the crochet needle from the side, then put on the passion twist here. As I said, 2 strands cut in 2, and then you pull it through like that. Then of course you want to make sure each side is even. Then tighten the rubber band, then separate the client's hair with the passion twist here in 2, and then you start rope twisting. That's basically the formula. I want you to stick around, keep watching how I get it done. Of course, you know I'll be doing it as neat as possible. Now I don't want the twists to be too stiff, so I'm not doing the rope twist too tight. You know, I do it a little bit loose. So again, insert the needle from the side, apply the passion twist here, then you pull it through, and of course this is behind the rubber band that was applied. After you pull it through, make sure it's even, then separate the hair in 2 and you start rope twisting. Yeah, so by now you would have gotten the formula and you realize that there's not much for me to say. Basically, we're going to do it one last time, however, just for the persons in the back that is normally chatting with them friends and not paying attention. Take a second and pay attention here. I'm going to give you a close-up and explain the formula once more so you can apply it to the equation. So you may are talking at the back of the class when I stop talk from the class start. Focus for a second. Insert the crochet needle from the side, apply the passion twist here and pull it through, then even it out, behind the rubber band of course. Then you separate the clients here and the passion twist here, and then you start rope twisting. That's the formula. Yeah, me know you never get it all along. You get it now, though. Yeah, that's what happens when you focus. Cool. Keep watching.
Thank you for sticking with me this far in the video. Obviously, if you reach this far in the video, you like the video, so I hope you have hit the like button. So I'm asking you guys for a favor. I want you guys to run over to my girl Perugi and subscribe to her YouTube channel. She have some awesome videos. She do her things. So I want you guys to run over there and share the love. Let her know that Vibe with Chelsea sent you. Watch up the videos. Leave a comment. Make sure you say Chelsea sent no. Just to be sure that you're looking on the right channel, you can look at the screenshot that I have inserted.
Halfway through the clients here, and as you can see, she's helping me to untwist the strands. She had requested 2 antennas at the front though, so I'm just leaving this section here that you see I have parted out to create the 2 antennas. And you'll see what I call antenna at the end. So again, straight through the formula is the same. You part out the section that you're going to twist, apply your rubber band, insert your needle to the side, hook the passion twist here to the end of the needle, pull it through, and of course the needle should be inserted behind the rubber band. Insert the needle, hook on the passion twist here to the end of the needle, pull it through, even it out. Separate the clients here in 2 along with the passion twist here, and then you rope twist. Yeah, I understand, so some people don't really watch all of the video, them skip through. Then them are gonna come and ask me the questions, them and ask me how me do this, how me do that, how much here me use. So I've used 2 packs of passion twists here, the Ghana brand. And I'm catching up the clients here, as I mentioned. This is the style that she planned to wear. As much as I can catch up there at the front, of course with a rubber band, elastic band. Now we don't want the elastic band to show, so what I'm going to do is use one of the twists around the root so that it hides the rubber band like that. Looks like magic though. So yeah, so now we're gonna create the 2 antennas at the front. So this is the hair that I had left out, and her hair is just thick 4C. I love it, natural hair. And of course, we apply the ocean wax to the root. Then we apply the elastic band to create the root for the twist. Gonna do that on both sides, of course. Insert the crochet needle, hook the passion twist here on the needle and pull it through. Then you even out, make sure that both sides are even. Then you separate the clients here in two. Well, first you tighten the rubber band after you pull through the passion twist here. Separate the clients here in two, and then you start rope twisting. Yeah. So that's me creating the two antennas right there at the front. After twisting out to the end, you want to apply a rubber band to the end of the hair, and then here I'm just cutting it to the length that she had requested. So twist out to the end, then apply a rubber band to hold the twist because it doesn't have much of a ear end to twist out to hold it. So now we're using Fashion Plus wax on her edges, just to hold it in because she didn't really request any edges. And this is the final look. I hope you guys love it. She loves it.